Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked account on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve blocked account on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click here in this page. We'll search about Telegram here, as you see. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.